Grilled rice wrapped in banana leaves. Ingredients: 4 servings. 4 scoop cooked rice. 8 pieces banana leaves. 200 grains steamed fish or boiled chicken. 1 cayenne pepper, chopped. 3 red chili pepper. 4 onions, chopped. 9 red onions, chopped. Salt and pepper. Bouillon powder. Sugar. 8 toothpicks. 3 long beans. 1 carrot. 4 leaves lemon basil or kemangi leaves. 1 laos galanga. 2 candlenut. 4 quail eggs, boiled. Frying oil. Water. 2 tomatoes. 4 slices cucumbar. 4 cayenne pepper. Serundeng or fried coconut flakes, optional. Directions: break apart the boiled chicken or fish you have, into small bite size with your hands or a fork. Cut banana leaves into 2 sizes, 20 cm and 15 cm in width, approximately. Heat pan with about 2 tablespoons oil in a medium heat, then add 2 chopped garlic, stir fry until fragrant, then add 4 chopped red onion and cayenne pepper. Then add boiled fish or chicken in, add half part of small laos galangal and 1 candlenut. Stir fry it, then add a pinch of salt and pepper, a pinch of sugar, a pinch of bouillon powder and about half a teaspoon black soy sauce. Stir fry it and test taste. In another pan, stir fry chopped 2 garlic, chopped 5 red onions, half part of small laos galangal, chopped carrot and chopped long beans, then stir fry it about 30 seconds, then add about 1 liter of water. Rest for about 1 minute. Then set aside. Prepare the sambal. Fry tomatoes, candlenut and cayenne pepper for 30 seconds, then blend tomatoes, 1 candlenut, 2 cayenne pepper, a pinch of salt and sugar. Take 2 banana leaves, each 20 cm and 15 cm wide, and lay them flat on the table. Put the smaller leaf on top of the bigger leaf. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish or chicken on top of the rice, then add chopped beans and /d carrot, quail egg, add Serundeng fried coconut flakes, if you have, add sliced cucumber and sambal, add kemangi, lemon basil. Fold the left side of the banana leaves and bring to the center. Then fold the right side of the banana leaves on top of the left side, make sure the parcel is folded tightly. Secure the top side of the folded banana leaves with a toothpick. And secure the other side of the folded banana leaves with same technique. Grill for about 10 minutes. Don't forget to make every side grilled. Best serve warm.